Lastly, here we have our settings. So this is where you can go and customize some details about your ServiceMonster account. So the first thing we have up here includes what version of the app that you're using, what account that you're logged into, and the option to log out. This is really handy if you do ever give our support team a call. They might ask you what version of the app that you're using, so this is where you can find that. Next, we have our company info. This is where you can customize your company information. A lot of this is information that will appear on your order forms itself. It is slightly more limited than the desktop version, though, just so you know. We have our products and services list. So here you can view, edit, and add to your products and services list. You can edit any of these simply by clicking on them and going in and customizing that. Or you can make a new one by clicking on the plus button and adding in its details here. In the pick list menu, this is where you can customize your pick lists. Pick lists are any of the drop-down menus within ServiceMonster that on the desktop version have that little blue plus button next to them where you can add in your own options. So different examples are appointment types, account types and subtypes, route groups. You can also adjust your custom fields if they're pick lists from here. And these just allow you to say, I can go into my payment methods and add in new options. So say I want to add PayPal as a payment option. I can simply type that in, click pause, click on the plus button, and that will be added as an option for my payment methods now on the drop-down list for that. Then I also have tax rates. This is where you can add in your tax rates or edit them as needed. You can also do that, of course, from the desktop version. We have our SMS templates. This is where you can view your text templates that are already made in the system. You can open them up, go in and customize them as needed, or you can also make a brand new one by clicking on the green plus button as well. You can import your contacts from your phone into the system by clicking Import Contacts, and you can set up your Google Calendar integration or QuickBooks Online integration from here as well. In the custom account fields, this is where you can customize your custom fields. I cover these more in depth in the marketing training, so I highly recommend checking that out if you want to learn more about what these are and what you can do with them. And lastly, we have our Contact Us information, which is the exact same as clicking on that little I button on the home screen. We have our help site, we have our phone number. Please feel free to give us a call if you ever need extra help or support with using the mobile app, or if you're ever finding things aren't working the way that you think that they should be. We'd love to help you out with that.